How to change server in Lands of Jail. In Lands of Jail, so I'll be teaching you how to change server in this game. So first of all, you must make sure you've unlocked that feature in this game by reaching up to that level. So after from here in your home screen, you'll have to hit this top left, your profile icon. From there, go to the settings. And from here you'll have to hit character management. So in character management, it treats each server can create up to 2 characters, so you can create up to 2 character and up to 10 character all servers combined. So from here, hit the plus section. From where you can simply select the server and you can see your character number in each server. So you can simply hit any of the server number you want like this, and you can simply press on confirm section in order to create the character in that server, and also your progress will be different in different servers. So that's how you basically change server in Lands of Jail. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.